Hello guys, welcome back to the Fostskis.
Hello.
It's been a while since we posted some video.
Yeah, life has been lifing, but we're back now.
And the weather is back too. No more rain. So I've decided to take them for a little walk around our area.
So we're just going to do a little evening vlog for you guys today.
Right, and I'll see you in a bit.
Gonna do some fishing, Elijah. Elijah, are you ready for some fishing? Yeah.
Catch the shark, yeah?
Yes. Elijah, oh, you got it out.
I found the hook.
Is everything there?
No. Broke the hook, but it's the old cheap one, the old one. That's alright. Nah, it's alright.
Okay guys, so we're just having a bit of technical issues with the fishing rod, but hopefully we'll be able to fix it. Otherwise we'll just go on and have our drinks. Aww. Elijah, did you really want to do fishing today? Okay, we finally managed to get the rod working.
Sorry guys, we have a slightly technical issues. Not enough storage on the phones. However, we are right here.
We made it to our local pub, which is right by the river. Show them.
Well, it's a bit dark, but
And then I've got a mulled apple, what is it?
mulled apple cider. And I've got Asahi. Oh, a little beer after work. And Elijah is waiting for his chips and watching Thomas the train. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Now he's happy.
Got your chips?
Elijah?
Oh, Elijah, wait. Let's throw it in the river and take it back out. The mayo.
Oh, don't worry, sir.
Let's talk about the other one.
Alright. Is he finished his chips? Did you finish the いそのダメだね。Here's a mail.
Elijah, do you want some more chips? You just have it on if you have to.
I'm gonna do the video of that now. Yeah, on the way back home right now. Woo-wee. Say hello, Elijah.
Too badly cold.
Say hello, good boy. Oh, dark. I see the dog.